guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for joining me. And yeah, if you never watched my last video, that's Shemaine in the background. I adopted a little plant, so yeah, she's actually very much real, guys. I'm loving her, and yeah, you'll be seeing a lot of her. Sorry she's not eating the ports. I'll definitely get a report. If you haven't watched the last video that I actually posted, please do go watch it up and let me know your thoughts about it. It was interesting. I actually fell in love with this baby girl. Yeah. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and let us keep the family growing. I'm so super proud, guys. We actually have grown as a family. We now more than 50 subscribers. Yeah, I know it's not much, but we have to celebrate every milestone, even the small little ones. They are so important. Like, thank you guys for your support. Like, honestly speaking, thank you so much. So as for the title today, I'm going to be teaching you on how to do this ombre glossy look, which is a trend right now. Like, the matte arrangement is slowly fading out, so everybody is going into the fashion world, so is going into the glossy feel all around the globe. And with the current situation with the pandemic, everything is starting to loosen up somehow. In certain countries, things are getting to normal slightly than the usual. So yeah, you never know, it's time to learn and actually get prepared and actually learn this glossy look. You never know when actually things will go back to normal and we won't have to mask up anymore. So you definitely don't want your lips looking out of place. You want them to be on point. Yes, my girl, that's what I'm talking about. You definitely want your lip game to be on point and on trend. So this is the whole reason for this video. Anyways, back to today's topic. You don't need that many actually items, so it's basically any lipstick, but I'm using this drying matte lipstick by ADS. So that's our first must-haves that you're going to do to actually create this look, guys. Just have a look at it. Doesn't look good? I know it does look good, right? I don't know, I'm just feeling myself. I'm totally loving this glossy look. Like, ooh, god. Like, ooh. Yeah, with Charmaine in the background, don't worry, she's part of the family also. Yeah. And then the other thing that you're going to use is you're going to use a lip gloss, just a normal regular lip gloss that you can find that doesn't have anything in it. So this is plain, so anything plain. And then of course your lip brush, and if you do want, you can actually put your concealer, or you can actually use a lip color that's slightly lighter than the one that you're gonna use. So I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, but if you don't have lip a matte lip what's this that is lighter than your actual or that is a bit more in this shade of color, you can actually use your concealer. This is Elego Pro in the shade Kutan. So that's the shade that I normally use, but if you don't have that, you can use any other shade that you think is actually gonna look good for you. So anyway, let's go right into it. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Let's keep on growing the family. I'll keep emphasizing road to 100 subscribers and beyond. Like, I'm so super proud, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Like, I do honestly appreciate you. And if you've been watching from the sidelines and you're just here, girl, guy, whoever you are, hop onto the train and let's be part of the family, because it's all love in here. Thanks guys, let's go right into it. Okay, so first things first, am I gonna be talking? I'll probably do a voiceover because I can't talk because I'm doing my lips. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, that's logical.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. You all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
Okay guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell to get notified of more videos. that would definitely excite you. You definitely learn a thing or two, and you definitely be entertained and just to watch and keep an update with me. And also don't forget to follow me on my other socials to get updated with me. Or you've got questions, do follow my Instagram so you can let me know what exactly you want me to post. Let me know if you follow me on my Instagram page. Please recreate this look and just DM me of how exactly your look came out. You can choose any color of the matte lipsticks that you want. So let me know how you create this look. I'm definitely looking forward to see those pictures. Thank you all so much. Till next time, enjoy the rest of your day, and yeah, wishing you a lovely and blessed week ahead. And may you be blessed, fruitful, and prosperous. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys. Shemaine? Shemaine, say bye. Yeah, bye. Like, really, guys. Bye.